Ola, I'm Żaneta Uba, I'm from Poland, I'm 23 years old and my collection is La Carne de Potro. As I said, my product is La Carne de Potro, which is produced in the north of Burgos and very typical for this region. It has different types, like for example chorizo, salchichas, hamburguesas and also sour meat. And it has organic shapes and structure that I wanted to use in my collection. My collection contains five feminine looks. What inspired me the most was the process of producing La Carne de Potro, colors and structure. Almost all my collection is in reds, in all grades and also in white. I also use cuts to underline the women's body and organic forms in the technique of moulage. The mix of colors and structures made my look connected to my product. I hope you will enjoy my collection.
You'll go, I'll be okay. I can dream the rest away. It's just a little touch of fate, it'll be okay. It sure takes its precious time, but it's got rights and so have I.